Robot charging steps. Remove the robot's top cover and toggle the power switch to the I position to turn it on. You will hear the startup music and a voice prompt. Place the robot directly in front of the station. Press and hold the auto button to allow the robot to autonomously return to the base station. Once the robot has docked, a voice prompt will announce start charging. Explanation of robot charging after enabling the off-peak charging function. Open the app. Tap Enter. Settings. Station Advanced Settings. Off-peak charging. Turn on the function.